In today's hyper-connected world, nearly every business has some form of cyber exposure. To help protect your organization, it's important to understand who cyber criminals are and what motivates them. Whether you process payments or store sensitive customer data, chances are cyber criminals have already placed a target on your organization. And while we often think cyber criminals are bunkered up in some basement, the truth is, attackers are much more sophisticated. Let's examine the most common threats to your business. Organized crime. Cybercrime costs the United States billions of dollars each year, making it a lucrative scheme for organized criminals. These groups want personally identifiable information, like social security numbers, health records, credit card details, and banking information. They then hold this information hostage through ransomware or sell it outright on the dark web to turn a profit. Hacktivists. Hacktivists operate with a political agenda, carrying out high-profile attacks to distribute propaganda or damage organizations they disagree with. Hacktivists fall under the umbrella of cyber vandalism and look to damage reputations or steal incriminating information. Many hacktivists work alone, which can make their attacks more difficult to predict. Government-sponsored groups. It may sound like a movie, but government-sponsored attacks and cyber espionage are very real threats. These cyber criminals are well-funded and are motivated by political, economic, technical, or military agendas. Insiders. Employees are some of your best assets, but they can also be one of your greatest threats. Disgruntled or former employees with access to your system can vandalize assets or steal proprietary data to get back at your organization. Worse still, ex-employees can sell access to your systems to cyber criminals, which can lead to more severe cyber breaches that could cost your organization 6 figures or more. While cyber criminals can strike at any time, there are ways to protect your business. Contact your insurance broker today to learn more about cyber threats and how to keep your organization secure.